In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log emails to Copper CRM from Gmail. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to keep your conversations tied to the right records in Copper without extra busy work. Start by opening your browser and searching for Copper CRM. Click the official Copper website in the results, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to your settings. You'll find this in the app's main menu. From there, go to Personal Preferences and open Email Settings. This is where you control how Copper handles your Gmail messages. First, set your default visibility for synced emails. Choose Public if you want your team to see logged messages, which is great for collaboration and context on deals. Choose Private if you prefer to keep your emails visible only to you by default. You can always change the visibility on individual messages later, but setting a default saves time and prevents surprises. Next, turn on Send and Reply from Copper. This lets you compose and reply to emails directly within Copper while still sending them through your Gmail account. It keeps your workflow in one place, pulls in the right contact details, and ensures that your correspondence is automatically associated with the right people and opportunities in the CRM. It's especially handy if you spend a lot of time inside Copper and want consistent tracking without switching tabs. If you're using a non-Gmail email client, or you prefer to log only certain emails without a full sync, you can use your unique BCC address. To find it, stay in Email Settings and look for Copper Mailbox. You'll see a custom address generated for your account. Copy that address and keep it somewhere convenient, like a contact in your address book or a text snippet. When you're composing an email in Gmail, add that unique address to the BCC field before sending. Copper will log the message to the matching record automatically, as long as the recipient's email address matches a contact or lead in your CRM. This method is precise. It won't expose the BCC to your recipients, and it's perfect when you only want certain conversations captured. That's it. Search for Copper, sign in, set your email visibility, enable sending and replying from Copper, and use your unique BCC address whenever you want to log specific emails from Gmail. With these settings in place, your communications will stay organized, searchable, and tied to the right records, so you and your team always have the full picture.